12 Stars Media is a video production company. We produce videos for people to use on the web to connect with their audiences. When we wanted to move our project management and CRM and some of those other more advanced tools that we began to need as we grew to the cloud, we jumped on board with Podio.
So one of the great things about Google Docs being integrated into Podio is the fact that when I'm going into our blog post section of Podio, I can access my Google Docs and they're all right there in front of me. I don't have to download them from Google Docs and then upload them into Podio. I can access all of them from Podio.
All of our internal communication happens in Podio, but we do need to use email to communicate with our clients and vendors and other people who are outside of the 12 Stars Media organization. So when we do, it's often that a piece of email communication needs to get into Podio, or an action needs to happen, and it's easy, it's very nice to be able to quickly click and create a task from within Gmail. A piece of external communication quickly becomes a piece of internal communication.
The Chrome notifier I use a lot. I love it, having it just right there on my desktop anytime, because a lot of times I'm not even logged into podio.com, so I just have that there. So whether I'm working on my edit or whatever I'm doing, if I'm on a different website, it's always right there. So if something comes up, we do a lot of collaboration with the team, and so I'm instantly notified right there. I don't have to go log into podio.com to see if I got any notifications. It's just right there, letting me know that, hey, something's happening that you need to be aware of.
We have a lot of meetings to keep track of, and with a dozen people, those all really start to add up. We use Google Calendar in the cloud to keep track of each other's calendars and schedule all of our events. We can now, using the Podio and Google Calendar integration, make sure that events that get scheduled in Podio automatically go onto our Google Calendars.
A lot of times I'm not in front of my desktop computer, so instead of waiting to get back into the office and check up on something, I get instantly notified. Those are sent straight to my phone, and so I can check off if something changed on a project, but then also if I'm out on a shoot, I can access the deliverable items and kind of go back and see what notes I made in the pre-production process as well, to reference back in the project that I'm currently on, and I can do that from any place, anytime.
All of those integrations between Google Apps and Podio help us to get our work done at 12 Stars Media more efficiently.